If you are looking for a great jacket that is heated, super comfortable, has a ton of pockets, you are absolutely going to love this. So right off the bat here, I just kept this right over here. They're gonna come with tags on here. So you have a quick start guide. It goes over everything that the jacket does, how to get it set up. I'm gonna walk all this through with you, but I just kind of wanna show you this is how it comes and how easy this is to set up. Right off the bat, it is super comfortable. We have the zipper right over here. We also have Velcro as well. So we could zipper and Velcro. So let me get this off and I'm gonna show you all the different features, also the battery pack as well. All right, so this is gonna be the battery system. We're gonna get 2 of these, 1 charger, and then we got the cord as well. The cool part about this, these are 4,000 mAh ion batteries. They heat up fast, they keep you warm for hours, which is nice. And you also have multiple uses for these batteries. They could also double as a power bank, so you could charge your phone or any other devices as well, which is great. And you could also recycle these batteries if you needed to. And one battery powers multiple pieces of the actual gear, which is really nice. So what you do here is you just put these batteries in here just like that, and you want it to click. Once they click like that, you're good to go. And then you're gonna, to eject these, you just push this up and then you could take the batteries out. Let's get them set up in the jacket and I'll walk you through more. All right, now that we have the batteries set up, it's gonna look exactly like this. We need to connect it. So right down over here in this zippered pocket, we're gonna find this right over here. We're simply gonna just put it into this, just like that. You'll see this lights up right over here. We're gonna put it back into this pocket down here, just really easily, get it in there, and we're gonna zip that shut. Another cool part about this is we have different settings here. I can already feel this getting warm, which is absolutely awesome. So red is gonna be high, yellow is gonna be medium, you just hit that button, and then white is going to be low. Really, really like that part that is adjustable. You're also going to get a lot of pockets in here. You get a total of 8 pockets. So you have 2 over here. So really, really nice and roomy over there. We got a zippered pocket over here. We have another one up over here. Just really, really nice. And then you also have a hood. You want a hood on this as well, which is great. This is just an amazing jacket. Another thing I really like about this jacket is it is machine washable. So you could definitely wash this, which is really, really great. I also really like the zippers that it has. It has the YKK zippers, which are just super durable and they open really smoothly. And you have that throughout. You'll see over here, we got this big pocket as well. I like the fact that that buttons down like that. You have a detachable hood, which is really nice. So you could just see right over here, it's by buttons. You could just take that off if you wanted to, which is really, really nice. This is gonna be water and wind resistant as well. So you don't have to worry about if it's raining or it's snowing or anything like that. And you also have the patented nano heating technology as well over here. And it uses advanced carbon nanomaterials to heat large areas evenly. And so you won't have any hot spots or anything like that. It'll be all around. So if you were looking for an amazing heated jacket that's super comfortable, water resistant, wind resistant, has 3 different levels, 8 pockets, you will absolutely love this jacket. I know I do. And if you're looking for a great winter coat, definitely check this one out. And a huge thank you to the brand for sending this over so I could do this review for you.